So I'm out of water, so I got to make some. Oh, that works pretty good. So it seems to pull water up when I do the pull up, and then squirts it out on the down. Wow, this is working great. I've already got half an ANSI bottle full of this stuff. In this video, I'm going to go over a multifunctional outdoor water filter. You know, it kind of looks more like a little mustard pump, but actually what it is a water filter. But this thing has a few other little hidden Easter eggs on it. It's a compass, it's a whistle, it's got a mini knife built in, and it has a fire starter, one of those little flint fire starters. There's kind of a breakdown of how it looks right there. Instantly filter the river, lake, rain into safe drinking water. Enough talking. Let's get this thing out of the package. Let's see what all came with it. So open it up here. Looks like, well, we got that. Toss that aside. Came very nicely packaged in this little blister pack. Nicely presented. It's got a nice presentation to it. Let's just put it like that. Right here, it looks like you get a little set of instructions on how to use it. I have taken this out and just kind of went over it a little bit and looked over it and seen it. But pretty much, you see right here, all you do is put one hose into the source of water, and then you got clean drinking water out the other side. So there's not much to a water filter. It does come with a package, a little felt pack, look like a little Crown Royal pack. Decently sized long hose. How long is this hose? Probably 3 foot hose right there. And the unit itself right here. There's what the unit looks like out of the package. You know what? Let me clean all this stuff up, then we'll come back and we'll put this thing together. Okay, so we got it all laid out here. Let me just kind of show you the unit itself. It's from the company Embrace Ye, and you see how it looks here? And check this out. I want to show you a few things that's with this. Move this right here and look. There's a little saw knife with a blade on it on that side, and then over here you got to pull this little switch right here. This is like a little striker. You see that? I don't want to burn anything. You get these two things with it, so you have like a little fire starter with it. On top of here, you've got a little compass. You know, I don't know how many people actually use these type of compasses, but you know what? It's there if it works. And then check this out. I don't think that comes off, but watch. A pretty loud little whistle built into the handle there. Very impressive on that, and this is how you pump it like that right there. So to put this thing together, it looks like you're just going to put that hose right like this on that side, drop this down into water, and this hose will be on this side, and this will go like in a cup, and then it's basically just pumping it right here and looking over the instructions. This has a carbon filter. You know, you can see the activated carbon in there. The capacity is 200, so you can actually filter 500 gallons of water with this thing, and it gets it down to filtration is 0.0101 It removes sand, rust, insects, suspension, sediments, odors, germs, microorganisms, bacteria, metals, lead, mercury. It pretty much filters out about everything.